Have you ever pondered the concept of seven heavens? Does it exist solely in religious texts? Or does science also have something to say about this intriguing notion? In the next 7 minutes, we'll explore this fascinating topic from both the Islamic and scientific perspectives. The concept of seven heavens is deeply ingrained in Islamic tradition. The Quran, Islam's holy book, frequently speaks of seven heavens. According to Islamic belief, each heaven is a world of its own, distinct and separate, each one layered above the other. These heavens, it is said, are realms of paradise, where the righteous are rewarded. Each heaven is more splendid and grandiose than the one below, culminating in the seventh heaven, which is the most glorious of them all. Now let's pivot to the scientific perspective. It may surprise you to know that the concept of seven heavens or layers is not entirely alien to science. The Earth's atmosphere, for example, consists of multiple layers, each with its own unique characteristics and functions. However, the scientific interpretation does not exactly match the religious one. Science describes these layers as physical divisions based on temperature and other factors, not as spiritual realms. In Cosmology too, we find a somewhat analogous concept. The multiverse theory postulates that our universe may be one of many, possibly an infinite number, each with different physical laws. However, it's important to note that these scientific theories are based on empirical evidence and mathematical models, not on spiritual or moral considerations. So, is there a conflict between the Islamic and scientific views on the concept of seven heavens? Not necessarily. These views approach the concept from different perspectives and seek to answer different questions. The Islamic view is rooted in faith and moral teachings, aiming to provide guidance for righteous living and the promise of reward. Science, on the other hand, seeks to understand the physical world and the laws that govern it. In summary, the concept of seven heavens holds a significant place in Islamic belief, representing seven distinct realms of increasing glory and reward. Science, while not endorsing the spiritual interpretation, does recognize the existence of multiple layers or realms in the atmosphere and possibly in the universe at large. These perspectives need not be in conflict. Instead, they can complement each other, offering a more comprehensive understanding of the world we live in. One provides moral guidance and spiritual comfort, while the other offers a framework for understanding the physical world and its workings. So, the next time you gaze at the sky, remember, there's more than one way to interpret what you see. Whether you see seven heavens, seven atmospheric layers, or perhaps even seven universes, depends on the lens through which you view the world. And each lens, in its own way, can bring us closer to understanding the mystery and wonder that is our existence.